Do your kids dislike frying sweet potatoes? Or do they dislike sweet potatoes and you don't know how to cook them? This is your chance to know how you can cook them. Options of what you can do with sweet potatoes. So we're going to slice them, they're already boiled, and then we put them in hot oil. So we're going to fry them. This works a million times. So if you don't know how to give your kids sweet potato, if they don't like the boiled version, you have an option of frying in a deep fryer so that they can love it. So fry it till it's crispy brown. Make sure that it is crispy brown. It is, crispy so that they love it. So when you put the fat, you see, now it's turning brown. And they can take it with guacamole, they can take it with kachumbari, they can take it with cabbage, some salad, some form of salad. And definitely they'll enjoy it. Mine did. But if I give them boiled, they don't want. They say they don't like it. So frying is an option that you can use for your young children so that they can love sweet potatoes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. There we are, looking yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, leave a comment, subscribe. Try this at home. Share with us how your experience with the children was. Thank you. Bye.